Puzzle. In fact, it's very interesting bikers puzzle. So the puzzle says that there are 8 bikers and you are one among them. Each biker has a fuel capacity to travel 100 kilometers. That means the tank is full, and say they with this full tank they can travel, each biker can travel 100 kilometer distance. And with the help of the other 7 bikers, how far can you go? That means you can you can travel certain distance, and then you can borrow the petrol from other biker, and you can do all those things, right? You have a can available with you, so you need to find out what is the maximum distance that you can travel. So let's quickly understand how to solve this puzzle, because this puzzle has been solved just by 1% of the students, right? So definitely you understand that it's a tricky puzzle. Okay friends, so before we go ahead, let me quickly tell you something about myself. So once again, my name is Ronak Shah, and this is my educational background and my journey till date. You can keep learning quantitative aptitude, logical listening, and other subjects, and I also help students prepare for interview, and I also help them for college selection. In fact, if you want to stay connected with me, then you can be part of this Telegram group, and make sure all of you have subscribed to this particular channel. Do not forget to like this video, and please share it with your friends as well. So once again, before we go ahead, just want to tell you this thing also, that I have started 2 Lakshya batches, one on YouTube and another on Unacademy learning app, and that will help you prepare complete quantitative aptitude and complete logical listening in about 60 days. So if you are CAT or IPMET aspirant, for both of you, this series of session will be quite helpful. So make sure that all of you have downloaded Unacademy learning app, and please unlock it using my code SHAH10, right? And we also have plus batches where you get more support, more guidance, and you get test series and many other benefits. So you can enroll for the upcoming plus batches. The new batch is starting from 16th of June. And once again, do not forget to apply this code SHAH10. You will get 10% waiver. In fact, for IPMET aspirants also, we have plus batches, so you can also go for that. Just to tell you about the pricing plans, the pricing plans are very nominal. This is the CAT subscription pricing plan, and for 12 months it costs you 22,500, and it's 6 months 16,400, and you will get 10% discount when you'll apply this code. So the pricing are very nominal. You can definitely go for that. So let's talk about this puzzle now. So most of the students, how do they think about this puzzle? So there are 8 bikers. So what they'll think is, first of all the bikers have their fuel tank completely filled, okay, and all the 8 bikers will travel half of the distance, or you can say a distance of 50 kilometer. Then the situation will be like this. So then after traveling 50 kilometer distance, half of that tank will be empty, and then students think that okay, this 4 bikers will transfer the fuel to other 4 bikers. So now the remaining 4 bikers have completely filled tank. Okay, this is the situation. The tank is completely filled, and they'll further travel 50 kilometer distance. Okay, so again the tank will be half empty, and these 2 bikers will travel the transfer the fuel to the other 2 bikers, right? And the situation will be like this. Now the 2 bikers have completely tank filled. Of course, you are one among them, one of these 2 bikers, and then again you will travel a distance of 50 kilometer like this. And now again both of you will have half tank empty, so you will borrow the petrol. Suppose you are this person, so you will borrow the petrol, and your tank will be completely full, and then you will travel 100 kilometer distance. So in this way you could have traveled a total distance of 50 kilometer. First 8 bikers travel 50 kilometer distance, then 4 bikers travel another 50 kilometer distance, then 2 bikers travel another 50 kilometer distance, and of course you are one among them, and then finally you will travel another 100 kilometer distance. So total distance traveled by you will be 250 kilometer. But is this the correct answer? So no, that's not the correct answer. So if you want, you can pause your video over here, since now you have understood how to solve this puzzle, and give a thought and see if there is any different way to solve this question, right? And once you have given sufficient try, you can check my solution, which I'm going to provide now. So guys, this particular puzzle is based on optimum capacity utilization. Okay, now what does it mean by optimum capacity utilization? So all the bikers will travel to a point up to where they can take up the petrol or the fuel from the donor biker, right? So for example, let me explain through a situation. Initially we know the tank is completely full. Okay, now all the bikers will travel a certain distance such that one of the biker has the fuel left through which it can completely full the tank of all other bikers. Okay, so how much distance should this particular all the biker travel? Can I say all the bikers should travel distance of 100 by 8, that is 12.5 kilometer, so that their 1/8 of their fuel will be utilized and they are left with 7/8 of the fuel. Each of them has 7/8 of the fuel. Even this biker has 7/8 of the fuel, 7/8 fuel is left, and so on and so forth. Okay, now let's consider this last biker is the donor biker. Now what this biker would do, it will transfer 1/8 of the fuel to the first biker, 1/8 of the fuel to the second biker, and so on and so forth up to the 7 biker. So total it would have transferred all 7 by 8 fuel that is left with him, and now all this remaining 7 bikers have their tank full once again. Okay, so they travel initially 12.5 kilometer distance, and after that the one of the bikers will transfer all the fuel to the other bikers, right? And this is how we can say that we have utilized the capacity of the tank fully. Okay, so once again all the bikers, there are 7 bikers left now, and their tank is completely full. Now how much distance should they travel? So they should travel 100 divided by 7 kilometer distance, that is 14.28 kilometer distance. Why so? Because in this process their 1/7 fuel will be consumed. That means they are left with, each of them is left with 6/7 of the fuel that they had initially, or 6/7 of the total fuel. Now this 7th biker, it will transfer 1/7 of the fuel to the second biker, third biker, and so on and so forth. So in this way it will transfer 6/7 of its fuel to the 6 bikers, and through this process once again we will have 6 bikers left with the complete tank full. Now how much distance have they traveled up till now? Once again, you are one among this biker. Okay, so initially all of them traveled 12.5 kilometer, then the 7 bikers travel 14.28 kilometer. Now the same process is continued. Now this 6 bikers will travel 100 by 6 kilometer distance, that is 16.66 kilometer distance, and so on and so forth. And if we continue this process, so of course at the end the last biker will travel the complete 100 kilometer distance, and if you check the total distance traveled by all the bikers will come out to be 271.78 kilometer. So what is the difference between the two cases, the first normal calculation and this calculation? In the first calculation they could travel just 250 kilometer, but with this optimum capacity utilization method they are able to travel 271.78 kilometer distance. That means you are able to travel 21.78 kilometer further. So that is definitely noticeable, right? So this is the correct answer for this puzzle. How many of you got it right? Please do not forget to mention it in the comment section after the video, and yeah, please do not forget to like this particular video so that I can keep coming up with more such puzzles, and I can keep helping you in your preparation. And do not forget to share it with your friends also. So that's it as far as this video is concerned. Before I wind up, just want to quickly tell you that we conduct a weekly contest called Combat. So it is conducted every Sunday at 12 noon. So please participate in that, and it's free for all, so anyone can participate. You can also tell your friends about that, and you can use Shah10 as the invite code. So please do that, and we have some exciting offers going on in the Plus and Iconic subscription. So please avail that and join our Plus batches that are starting every week. Even if you are preparing for IPMAT, definitely these batches are available, and you can prepare in a very structured manner on Unacademy platform. So here are the pricing plans. Once again, as I mentioned at the very beginning, the pricing are very nominal, and once you'll apply this code SHAH10, you will get another 10% discount. These are the URL from where you can access my previous videos for all the different topics, and yes, keep learning with me. We'll see you with more such videos. Thank you.